Alright guys, just finished up this 2022 F250. This one's got the 5-inch BDS kit. It's the radius arm with Elite Fox 2.5 shocks. 37 12 50 20 Nitto trug wraps. We're using a 1 3/4 Bora wheel spacers. There's some confusion on the 4 versus 5 on some of these trucks, so get a lot of questions on this. Just to clarify, if you have a 20 to 22, it's going to be called the 5-inch. Now, the same kit on the 17 to 19 is called a 4-inch, and this is because the 20 to 22 sit 1 inch lower from the factory. So while they use the same springs in the lift, you net 1 inch of additional lift. So when you're comparing the two trucks side by side, they're going to sit exactly the same, but you gained an extra inch just because the 20 to 22 set 1 inch lower from the factory. Hopefully that clarifies that. So on this particular setup, there's no trimming. Everything cleared really nice. See the Fox 2.5 shocks here. You're going to have your high speed and low speed adjustments here. You're also going to have the same adjustable shocks on the rear. And this is the radius arm kit as mentioned. We also use the Fox 2.0 dual steering stabilizer. The BDS kit's also going to come with a factory OE style replacement single stabilizer that you see there. You're going to get your track bar drop bracket and drop pitman arm. Now on the rear, you're going to have your same Elite 2.5 shocks. Now the adjustment for these is going to be on top of the reservoir. I've also got this 24 Denali. It's getting the BDS 6.5 Elite coilover conversion. This is a pretty trick kit, and we're going to adjust it down slightly. It's going to come with uppers and lowers. It's got the same 2.5 Elite Series rear shocks. Like I showed you on the Super Duty, you're going to have your high speed and low speed adjustments here on top of your resi. The dually here is getting a 3-inch BDS kit. And now on this 22, it's got a 4-inch Cognito. We did not install this kit. We've just got him in here for some suspension upgrades. A couple more in here. Got an older model. I think this one is a 12 model, and for some suspension upgrades as well. And then we got a 99 Tahoe 2-door, so these are getting kind of rare now. This one's going to have a 6-inch zone. It's adjusted up to around 7 inches. Kryptonite uppers, 2214s I believe, and the recons are going to be a 325 50 22, which is equivalent to a 35 13. Should look pretty cool. Alright guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.